My name's Charles W. Boatwright with Caspi Golf. I'm in my new renovated gym that I just completed a couple months ago. I was going to share with y'all some of the stuff I perform in my gym. Part of some of my exercise I perform in my gym, besides calisthenics and aerobics and strength training, is I have a putting green that I can collapse and take up and work on my putting. And like I said, the majority of your golf game is on the putting. What I like to do is use left hand low. I'm not much of a screen door putter, I'm more of a pendulum putter. And what I like to do is sync up my elbows, both elbows, with each of the shoulder blades with the right and left synchronized with each other. And what I like to do is always, from my putting area, 2, 3, that's 3.5 paces. You not do that even on the course, golf course. I step off the putting to see what my distance is going to be. And when it comes to distance versus alignment, the error on the distance is 18 inches. That's from the ball barely rolling the cup to hitting the back of the cup. Your alignment's a little more critical because you only got 4.25 inches to hit. So what I kind of concentrate on is my alignment first. Then what I do is I use my feet to gauge my distance of my swing, pendulum swing. And using left hand low with a index finger along the shaft. I use a forward press, which is a palmar flex. Then I make my putt. If you saw that, the distance is pretty consistent. And what I do, I use the right foot in my backswing just as important as the left foot to stop my momentum, because I don't want to go past that because it will put more speed on the ball. And I would also like to thank Birdie Ball for supplying the putting green that I can use in my gym. If you can work on those skills there, your putting will be more consistent. And I would strongly recommend that you use left hand low with your thumb index finger down the shaft. It gives you the best control. And also that forward press I use helps you get into a movement of your putting without having to think. It'd be more instinctive, which that's what you want your golf game to be. It's instinctive. Until next time, this is Charles W. Boatwright. See you on the green.